Hello students, I welcome you all to my economics class and today's topic is Introduction to Economics. Economics term is originally derived from two Greek words, that is okios and nomos. Okios means household or household activities and nomos means managing this household activities with the limited funds. Just like as a country or a town or a society managing their unlimited wants with the limited resources.
Of economics under the following four groups. Number one, wealth definition. Number two, material definition. Number three, scarcity definition. Number four, growth definition.
In this category, the definition of economics as given by Adam Smith 1723 to 1790 and his followers are included Adam Smith, the father of modern economics. In this book, an inquiry into the nature of causes of wealth of nation 1776 defined economics as a science of wealth. It means economic studies the production and consumption of wealth. Now let us come to the next definition. Next definition has given emphasis on human welfare, which has been given by Alfred Masters. A study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines that the part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and use of material requisites of well-being.
Now come to the next definition, which is given by Professor Lionel Robbins. Economics is the science which studies human behavior as the relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. He gave this definition in his book, An Essay on the Nature and Significance of Economic Science, which was published 1932.
Robbins was not only against the Marshall's definition, he has given the different dimension to the economics. According to his definition, the various features are
According to Robbins, the unlimited ends or unlimited wants. Unlimited wants means human wants are unlimited. We possibly cannot satisfy them all. Next, scarce means. Scarce means human wants are unlimited and the resources which are fulfill the human wants they are limited. So they are known as a scarce. Third, alternative uses of means. The resources are not only scarce, they are also having alternative uses like wood can be used to make furniture, wood can be used to make door. Next, number 4, efficient use of scarce resource. Efficient use of scarce resource means since the wants are unlimited, these wants are ought to be ranked or to be order of priorities. On the basis of such priorities, scarce resources can be used. Science of choice or science of scarcity. Science wants are numerous and means are scarce. We have to select most urgent wants from the numerous leaving, of course, other wants which can be satisfied later on. Now, ultimately, we come to know that according to Robbins, that economics problem is the central idea of Robbins' definition.
now the fourth or the last definition, which is given by Paul Samuelson, and this definition is known as growth definition.
Our next definition is growth definition, which is given by Paul Samuelson. According to him, economics should be used to satisfy more wants and to attain the higher living of standard.
Economics is the study of how man and society choose, with or without use of money, to employ scarce productive resources which could have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time and distribute them for consumption, now and in the future among various people and groups of society.
Let us discuss about the features of Samuelson definition. Efficient allocation of resources. Number 2, growth of resources. Number 3, solution of economic problems. Number 4, dynamism.
Economics has been broadly categorized into two parts. Micro, this word has been derived from Greek words micros, meaning small. Micro, the letter I, stand for individual. Thus, microeconomics studies the economic behavior of individuals. Example, price determination of commodity or household income, supply of commodity.
Next, macroeconomics. In macro, the letter A stands for aggregates. Thus, macroeconomics studies aggregates of economy or economy as a whole. Example, aggregate demand and aggregate supply, total employment, general price level, etc.
Now let us discuss about the distinction or the difference between micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomics is the study of individual of economic units. Macroeconomics is the study of economy as a whole or its aggregates such as a national income. Its primary microeconomics primary concern with its determination of relative prices of goods. Macroeconomics primary concerned with the determination of aggregate output and general price level. Demand and supply of a particular commodity or factor of productions are the main tools of microeconomics. Aggregate demand and aggregate supply of all goods and services are the tools of macroeconomics.
Under this micro and macroeconomics, human beings perform different activities, and these activities can be categorized or broadly categorized into two ways. First, economic activities. Next, non-economic activities. Economic activities are performed to earn money or wealth, which is production, consumption, or exchange. Next, non-economic activities. Non-economic activities are performed for pleasure, love, and affection. These can be categorized social, political, religious, and charitable. Now let us discuss about the sectors of economy. Sectors of economy broadly categorized into three parts. First, primary sector. The primary sector consists of agriculture, animal husbandry, dairying, poultry, forest, and fisheries. In this sector, goods produced by exploiting the economy's natural resources. Next category, secondary sector. The secondary sector of Indian economy includes activities relating to manufacturing and construction. Secondary sector includes all those activities which produce various goods with the help of raw material produced in the primary sector. Third sector is known as a tertiary sector. The third sector of economy produce services. Services like transport, banking, insurance, communication, etc.
Thank you and take care.